I think the mutual motivation that we all have is building a blueprint for an African HPC catalog, primarily because we all know of our unique communities. But when it comes to collaboration, we really need to be able to cross those artificial boundaries of just not knowing what's out there. So if we can establish a unified blueprint for all the HPC resources that are available in Africa, we can also use that to pinpoint what gaps exist, both in what skills are available, what demand there might be, and what infrastructure still needs to be implemented. We try to target the survey towards system administrators, PIs or researchers, and our known HPC user community. We ask them for the standard sort of questions that you'd expect, such as the type of organization that they work for, whether it's a research lab, a national data center, or perhaps just a small group sitting in a research department. We prompted for generic specifications on the systems, and we were interested whether their sites were distributed across multiple campuses or multiple departments, or whether they're centrally stored in a central location. We invited feedback about their availability and openness towards collaboration. Respondents were asked to provide some feedback on their available skill sets, and also whether they would consent to future engagement and possibly being followed up for more specific targeted surveys. We still recognize that even if we targeted a single department at a university, for example, we might get responses from both the system administrator and the HPC users. Whereas this would still cause us some challenge with the duplication, we accepted that because this is a preliminary survey, a discovery survey. We wanted to reach as far and wide as we possibly could so we could catch as many sites as possible. The intention is to do follow-up surveys that are more targeted to specific institutes, and we have conducted preliminary and basic deduplication of the responses.